Hello everyone, welcome back to the economics class. In the previous class we had discussed about how fashion impacts the demand. We have seen that how fashion is or the trend is impacting demand. Now in today's class we will see how climate, season or weather impacts the demand. This is a very simple point wherein the climate or season or weather is impacting demand. You must have, as you already know, in the rainy season, for example, consider rainy season. In rainy season, which type of product are demanded more? Raincoats, umbrellas, which protect people from the rain. Then those type of products are highly demanded. Now when the rainy season ends in the month of, consider in the month of November or December. In the month of November, October and November, the rainy season will end. Now that time what will happen in the month of December or in the month of January or in the month of February? Will the people buy raincoat? Will people buy umbrella? No. That time the demand of umbrella, demand of raincoats will come to minimum or it will come to zero. Why? Because there is change in the season or the change in the climate. So now supposing you are a manufacturer of a raincoat. If you are a manufacturer of a raincoat, then your products will be in high demand between June to October month. June to October month your demand will be very high. In this period you will manufacture maximum number of raincoats and supply it to the market so that people will purchase your product. Now from November to June there will be very less demand for raincoat or umbrellas. That time what you will do? That time what you need to do? You need to think on that line, because you want to stay in the business throughout the year. When you set up a business, if your business is a seasonal business, during the season of during your business season, that is from June to October, if you are manufacturing raincoat, you will have a high business or high turnover of the business. The high sales will be there, you will get high profit, and you will pay your employee salary, you will pay all your expenses. After paying covering all your cost, there will be huge profit that will be available to you. But from November to March, what you are going to do? You can't tell to your employees that I will not pay your salary because there is no demand for our product. They will switch to other companies. They will go back to the other companies and they will take the employment. Now again when the June comes, when the demand for your products will start increasing, that time you will not be having employees to work in your company. So what are you going to do at that time? So all the products which are selling the seasonal products, they will always have some other product which they can sell during the off season. During the off season, that is the season from in which their products are not being ordered. That time they will have some other products to manufacture by using the same facility. They will plan to manufacture such a products which can be manufactured by using same facility. For example, now take the example of a raincoat manufacturing company. From October to May, there will be very less demand or no demand for their products. That time what they will do? With the same cloth material of the raincoat, what else they can manufacture? They will think. What else they can manufacture? They can manufacture vehicle covers, bike cover, car cover, any such type of covers they can manufacture. They can manufacture materials for roofing. If any, they can manufacture a material for tent. They can prepare tents for outdoor activity. They can until November, nobody will go for outdoor activity because there will be huge rain. From November to March, what will happen? There will be no rain, there will be sunlight will be there. People want to go out, they want to play, they want to do stuff, adventure stuff. So that time what these people will do? They will plan to manufacture the adventure materials such as tent or such as bags, resin bags, because the raincoat is manufactured from resin. So with using same facility, they will manufacture tents, they will manufacture bags, they will manufacture cloth for roofing, all such things, different things they will think of, because the company is studying that the climate is an important factor. Climate is an important factor, or season is an important factor, or weather is an important factor for them to survive in the market. They should see when the weather ends. If before the weather ends, there are all the products which are being manufactured, they have to be sold, or else it will be in stock with them. So they will study the different seasons or the climate or the weather, how it is impacting them. When if their season comes, season is approaching, then they will increase their manufacturing. When their season ends, they will stop that product and they will start manufacturing some other product. Like this, not only the natural weather or natural climate, there are seasons can be of anything. For example, now the season of IPL is going on. In IPL season is going on. Most of the people want to watch IPL, but they want to. In the what is happening nowadays trend is what everybody is having smartphone, everybody is having the internet connection, so everybody wants to watch the cricket match in their mobile phones. If they want to watch mobile phone if they want to watch cricket match in the mobile phone, what they have to do? If they want to watch IPL, what they have to do? They have to download Hotstar Disney app. In the Hotstar Disney app only IPL is live streamed. So during the IPL season, what is happening? More number of Disney Hotstar app is being downloaded by the people. Now after the IPL ends, what will happen? People will not go to Disney and Hotstar and download it, because the reason why they are downloading is that they want to watch the IPL match. So after the IPL ends, there will be no much demand for this app. Now there is a high demand for this app because more number of people wants to watch the IPL match wherever they are in their mobile phones. So this is the only way. So like that, similarly there will be Deepavali season. When the Deepavali festival comes, more number of people will go for shopping, because that is the auspicious year, auspicious festival. People wants to buy something new. They want to buy any car, they want to buy a refrigerator, they want to buy AC, they want to buy new TV, or they want to buy a new bike. What they will do? They will postpone their purchase until the Deepavali festival comes. When Deepavali festival is there, they will go. Everybody will plan to purchase something. So such things are also called as seasonal. Now during the Deepavali season, what will happen? Many companies, all electronic companies, all automobile companies, all companies, what they will do? They will give heavy discount, they will give heavy offer, they will give much, they will attract customers by giving more discounts. So why they are giving discount? Because they know people will purchase during this festival season. In festival season, the trend of purchasing will be more. So after Deepavali ends, people will again stop buying, because everything they have spent in the Deepavali, again they don't want to spend again. Next Deepavali only they want to spend. Like this, season or the weather or the climate or the festive season. Season means not only the natural season or the weather or the climate. It can be about any event, it can be about any festival, it can be about any function in the house. For example, in a particular period from November to January, that is a marriage season. In that season, what will happen? More number of people will plan to get married. More number of families will plan to get married. That is called as marriage season. In that marriage season, who will be in the highest demand? The photographers, the marriage halls, all the things which are required in the marriage, decorations or the cooks, catering services, they all will be having the high demand for their businesses during marriage season. So if you are into giving some service in the marriage, for example, if you have a marriage hall, if you are a photographer, if you have a catering company, if you have a decoration company, what you need to do? You need to study when is the marriage season. During the marriage season, you should be ready with all your equipments. That time, if your equipments get failed, then you will lose the business. 1 year again you have to wait for the marriage season to come. So each and every business should see when is their business will be at the peak. During that duration of time, their demand will be high. After that duration of time, their demand will go on decreasing. So when their demand decreases, they should see some other alternative to stay in the business until next season comes. So that is why it is important, or the climate season or weather is very important for the companies to analyze their business demand. So next and the last thing is the impact of advertisement. This is also a very important factor. This will be discussing in the next class. Thank you.